When the mother was not looking, Kavyansh pushed a kidney bean deep into his nose. At first, she did not understand what had happened. But when Kavyansh started rubbing his nose and she saw a drop of blood, she understood what had happened. Today's topic: First aid for foreign body stuck in the nose. So, a kidney bean is stuck inside Kavyansh's nose. He is in pain and is troubled by the blocked nostril. In such a situation, tilt the nose slightly upward and use a torch to examine it. Assess what is stuck and where. Understand the severity of the situation. If the child is crying, it is important to calm him or her down. Children tend to sniffle while crying, increasing the danger of the stuck object being pulled up further. So, let us see how to give first aid in this situation. Some serious or critical situations in which it is crucial to go to the hospital or ENT specialist without wasting time. If a button battery or magnet is stuck, if any sharp object is stuck deep inside and is not visible even in torchlight, nose is bleeding heavily, there is difficulty in breathing, the pain is so severe that the child cannot stop crying. But if the stuck object is a little lower and clearly visible, then give first aid like this. First situation: the child is old enough and can follow your instructions. Close the open nostril by pressing it with your finger. Inhale through the mouth and exhale forcefully through the blocked nostril. The object usually comes out or down due to the force of the breath. If the stuck object does not come out even after doing so, then go to a doctor. Second method, with the help of tweezers. Try with the tweezers only if the object is clearly visible and can be grasped easily. If you are even a little bit hesitant, do not attempt this. It can cause even more damage. After taking out the object, check that no part of the object is still left inside. If there is any bleeding, clean it up. Then stop the bleeding by pressing the nose like this. Apply an antibiotic ointment inside the nostril. First, place it inside the nose. Then press the outside gently to spread it evenly. Never try to remove any small or sharp object by yourself. There is a possibility of damage due to the object moving further up. The method to remove objects stuck in a younger child or a baby is the mother's kiss. In this, the parent can try to remove the stuck object by blowing air. For this, close the open nostril by pressing on it. Then, seal your child's mouth with your mouth and blow hard. Repeat this 2 or 3 times. The stuck object usually comes out due to the force of the blown air. Sometimes, an object may be stuck in the child's nostril and we may not even be aware of it. These symptoms can let us know that there is something stuck inside the nose. Foul-smelling discharge from the nose, bleeding nose, pain in the nose, difficulty in breathing. Whistling sound while breathing is also a symptom of something stuck in the nose. If any of these symptoms occur, check the nose and take the child to the doctor. Safety and precaution prevents accidents. Explain to children that they should not put anything in their nose. Keep small objects that children can put in their nose away from them. Learn first aid. Be alert.